Hello, welcome and welcome back. It is time for a new set, and I've already applied my tips and done my prep and gone in with a thin layer of clear acrylic. I'm starting off with this purple acrylic. It is from CJP and it is called Bright Violet. I'm applying this acrylic to all of the nails except for the ring finger, and after covering the whole thumbnail, on the index nail I want the bottom to cut off at an angle. At first I thought about just applying the acrylic to the whole nail and then just cutting off the bottom part into the shape that I wanted, which would probably be easier, but it also would waste a lot of product. So what I did is just applied the acrylic in full to the nail bed, and then once I got towards the bottom, I started to just use small beads to try to apply it somewhat in the shape that I was trying to make, and then just use my brush to kind of mold it more into that angled shape. And then when I got the acrylic how I wanted it, I took this floss pick and just cut a line into that acrylic while it's still soft to give me that defined line that I want. Then I went and applied that purple acrylic to the middle and pinky nails. Once that acrylic hardened, I went and took my hand file and just filed along that diagonal line that I created with the acrylic, just to sharpen it up and clean it up and make sure I have a nice crisp line and crisp shape. I also filed along the nail tip just to make sure I got any excess acrylic that was on there and clean everything up. I then took this purple glitter mix and applied it all to the bottom half of that nail. I used that same glitter to cover the whole ring fingernail. So my acrylic application was trash this day. I swear I must have been doing my nails half asleep, because no matter what I did, I just could not apply the acrylic right. I then went and capped all the nails in clear. After filing and shaping, I took some builder gel and applied that to the middle finger so I could put some crystals on there. And then I cured that finger in the lamp for 60 seconds and then went through and top coated all the nails. And that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.